Hi everyone, can you hear me? Good afternoon, Maya. Abhishek, Sandeep, are you both there? Good afternoon, Abhishek. You have completed the Excel project? Yes, no. And what about Power BI also? Guys, please tell me your status on the projects. Okay, but have you solved it? I'm just asking so that I know what we can discuss today. Yeah, Abhishek, have you solved it? Guys, I'm just asking so that I know from where to start today. Okay, no problem, Maya. So you want to? Okay, then what? I'm Sandeep. Are you there, Sandeep? I don't know if anybody else is going to come in today. There are three people who've logged in yet. Sandeep, are you there? Okay, Ankit is here. Hi, Ankit. Have you solved the project? Ankit, are you there? Please, guys, quickly tell me so that I can begin. I'll know what to do. Ankit, are you there? Anyways, all right. So what I'm thinking is that let's at least first solve the Power BI, okay? Because anyways, Excel, you have understood the pattern of the questions last time, so you will be able to do that even if we don't get time, right? So, okay, whatever questions you have, we'll definitely look at it, Abhishek. No problem at all. If you already solved and you're stuck somewhere, we'll definitely solve it. But I'm just thinking that let's take up Power BI first. Power BI was pretty much simpler, so you'll be able to do that very quickly. Is that okay? Yes? Hmm? All right. Everybody open Power BI and take the Excel file and upload it in that. Upload it in that. I'll open the questions so that we'll be able to look at that as well. Sorry. Yeah, these were the questions. So I'm going to open my answers. I'm not going to solve everything, but you'll understand what I'm trying to say. So you start solving. Everybody open Power BI and upload the Excel file and upload all the sheets. Okay, let me know once you're done. Just let me know once you're done with that much. So this is the data that you will have in the backend. Let me know guys if any confusion in uploading the data or anywhere you're stuck, let me know. Huh? Done everyone? I'm sorry about that sound. There's some construction going on just below me. Sorry about that. Okay, it's only two of you today. Even Sandeep left. I don't think Sandeep was from this batch, was he? Sandeep was on this batch? I can't recollect. Actually, I have four batches going on right now, so I'm getting really confused in names. Yeah, that's what. He must have come by mistake. Alright. Anyways. Guys, let me know once you're done with uploading the sheet in Power BI. If you have any question in that also, you ask me. Anybody wants me to help, I can help you share your screen and we can do it on that as well. Do let me know. Hitesh is here. Hi Hitesh. Have you been able to solve the project, Hitesh? Have you been able to solve the project, the Excel and the Power BI? Okay, okay. So what we're doing, Hitesh, right now we are starting with the Power BI part because I want to at least show you how to do the Power BI thing. Then we'll take up your Excel questions, whatever you have. Excel we already discussed last time, so I don't want to miss out on Power BI. Once we'll do Power BI, then we'll do Excel again. So if you have not done Power BI, we are doing it right now anyways. Maya and Abhishek are also doing it. So you can open Power BI and upload the data, all the sheets, and then I'll show you what to do. Just do that much. Abhishek, what's the status at your end for uploading the data? All right, good. All right. What I'm thinking is, Abhishek, let's do it on your screen. So you share your screen because if I just show on mine, it'll just be me talking and not knowing what y'all are doing. So let's do it on your screen. Step by step, we'll do it on your screen. Maya and Nitesh, even if your data is getting uploaded, let it happen. Let's at least begin and see what to solve, how to solve. Is that okay? Oh, good. Maya is also done. Hitesh, is that okay if we can begin? At least you understand what's happening. Oh, perfect. All right. Okay, go to the data area first. Go to the data area. So we're going to see it on Abhishek's file only. Go to the data area. Right now in the report area. On the left side, go to the second button. Right. Perfect. So right now you see your sheets, right? Now if we look at the questions, so open the questions. So the first thing it says that we're going to do batsman analysis. All right. We're not going to do anything else. We're going to do batsman. So actually we need only these three tables, but it's okay. We've taken all the tables. Doesn't matter. So let's go ahead and first build the relationships. Okay. So which all relationships you have to build? Read it. First read it. You got to map the player ID from the player table to the striker ID in the ball by ball table. Go ahead and do that first. So that will ensure that you're looking at everything from a batsman's perspective. Hmm? So what we are going to do first is, okay, let me just show you. That is relationships open. Yeah. Now there are too many relationships created, right? We don't need these relationships. So what you do is in the home tab, do you see manage relationships? Home tab, manage relationships, right side. Yeah, go into that. And here you can see all the relationships that you've created. So just go ahead and delete these relationships. We don't need them right now. Quickly delete these. We don't need them right now. Yeah. What we need is, yes, what we need is just go back to data and come back to relationships so to refresh it. Go back to data. Okay, it's done. Yeah, it got refreshed. Yeah. Now what we need is we need to map the player from the player table, so the player ID, player table player ID, to the ball by ball striker ID. So we're going to tell Power BI that right now we are focusing only on a batsman. Make sense? Make sense? Huh? Something went wrong. Player ID to striker ID. That's correct. Has to work. Yeah, it's done. You can't create because one of the obviously you have unique values. What happened to this? Player ID has unique values. Why is this happening? Yeah, it should happen. You're taking the player ID from the. Oh, you're taking the match, I guess. Yeah. Hitesh is right. Go to the relationships again. Which table are you looking? Oh, you're taking it from player match. No. Right side, player table. Ah, that one. It has to work. I got scared. Like what happened? Striker. Oh shit. You have to undo it. You have to undo it. Yeah. Just right click and delete. Right click and delete. Yeah. Huh. Now map the striker ID to the player ID. Just make it big, na? So it'll work. Huh. Anyways, yes. Alright. And now map the second one, which is check the question. Check the question. Now team ID from the team table to the team batting ID. So again we are telling Power BI that we are interested right now in batting team, not bowling team or fielding team or bowling team, right? So from team to team ID. Ball by ball. Team to team ID. Team ID to team ID in the ball by ball. Team batting ID. Yeah. Perfect. So now we were wanting to work on these particular data. So that is done. Yes, we are done with the relationships. We don't want to work on the other tables right now. Let that be as it is. Now go to the report area. Go to the report area. And we'll start building our first report. Hmm? Report. First one. That's data. Report. Ah, that one. Yes. Perfect. Now, read the first question and go and start making it. So, the question is which player scored how many runs in total? So you want a bar chart which is player name wise, batsman scored. Do it, Abhishek. Yeah. Forgot? Okay, let's do it. Let's do it. No problem. Click on bar chart. Click on bar chart. You see the clustered bar chart? Yeah. Click on that. No, no, not that one. That's stacked. उसके बाद वाला. उसके बाद वाला. No, the one after that. Yeah, yeah. That's your clustered bar chart. Now, what is the question saying? It's saying you want to put player name wise batsman scored. So where will you put player name? From the fields, pick up player name. Where will be the player name? In the player table. Player name will be in the player table. Right? You'll find his name here. You pick up that and put it in Axis. In Axis. And you take the batsman's score, that will be in ball by ball, and you put that in the value. Understood? Understood? Similarly, try the other one. Go ahead, try. Now I'm not going to explain everything. Try. So first, you just click in the outside anywhere area in the blank area and then do it. Yeah, now do it. Otherwise, that will get replaced. Yeah. Now matrix. Where is matrix? Yeah. What do you want in the matrix? I hope Maya and Hitesh all are also doing it. Maya, Hitesh. All right. You have a question, Abhishek? Okay. Yeah, I think you've taken some wrong data set. Hmm, why is it showing somebody blank? Can you open the Excel that you're using, Abhishek? Can you open that Excel? I think there's some problem in this. No, no, the Excel, actual Excel file. Excel. I think, okay. Go to ball by ball in this. Go to ball by ball. Go to the right side, very right side. Go to the dismissal type. Dismissal type. Yeah, below that, just in the go to O2. O2. Yeah, press F2. F2. Edit. Yeah, I think there's some problem in this data set. We were using some other data set last time, right? We were not using this data set. Is this the one that is put in the LMS? They did not change it. Okay. I'm really sorry. This is a wrong data set. There's some errors in this data set. That's why I had corrected and given it to them. I think they've missed to replace it. Can you open the last time's file that we used for the Excel? Or just go to LMS and download the Excel dataset again. Quickly go to LMS and download the Excel dataset again. Guys, I'm really sorry about this. I did not know that only one file was replaced. I'll check with them and tell them to replace the other file also. Yeah, if you downloaded, but then we worked on that, right? Yeah, if you download it, then okay. If it's not worked on, then do it right. Do that one. No. Abhishek, what I'm saying is that in the Excel week, project Excel week, they have put the correct file, but in the Power BI week, I think the wrong file is still there. The one that you are using is actually the wrong file. It doesn't have it has those errors in that data. There are some internal errors. So yeah, that's what I'm saying. That's what I'm saying. So just go to the LMS quickly. Go to the LMS quickly. Open LMS quickly. Sorry, really sorry about this, guys. It'll just take 10 minutes, 5-10 minutes to do it. Open your course. Go down, go to the week 12. Go to week 12, not 13. And download the content again. Yeah, download this again. Download dataset, not the question, dataset only. and open this data set. Can you open this data set? In that, go to ball by ball O column. Go ball by ball O column. Ah, Q column, not O column. Yeah, now press Control down. Go to the Q column and press Control down. Yeah, perfect. This is the right data set. Sorry, very sorry about this, guys. Just close that Power BI and do it again. Just quickly open the Power BI with this file. This file doesn't have any errors. Just quickly do the recent steps again and we'll be able to do it faster now. Do it quickly, Abhishek. Do it quickly. Open Power BI again. Same thing, same thing. Oh, okay. No problem. No problem. Sorry about this, guys. I was not aware. I would have told you in the beginning only otherwise. Take the one that we just downloaded, huh? Just downloaded. Take that only. Abhishek, let me know when you want to share your file again. Screen, I mean. happening? Come on, guys, please talk to me. Maya, happening for you? Maya, can you share your screen? Let's see what's happening in your Power BI. Oh, good. Very good. Your bar chart looks a little off. The first chart. Both these, their relationships are not created. Your relationships are not created properly. Check your relationships. Player name means batsman name. Yeah. Disconnect the others. We don't need them. All questions solved? No, for the is that Hitesh or who is it? That's Hitesh only, no? Hitesh, that's you only, right? Huh. You finished all questions, Hitesh? Wow, very good. Hitesh, then do one thing. Save that Power BI file. Open one more Power BI file. Again, upload the data and solve the second part because now we will have to consider them as a bowler. Understood? Huh. Okay, open the report. Let me see it. Let me see it. Yeah, so I'm saying that if you look at this obstructing the field, that is zero, right? You see that? That is zero. So you can right click on that, on that. No, on the green part, on the green part, on the green part, and say exclude. Didn't find it? Green part. Click on the green part. Green part only.
Uh, mm, yeah, can you hear me, Rishabh?
Yeah. Right click. Say exclude.
Exclude. Okay.
That goes out of the report. If you ever want to exclude
Okay.
very small values, you can do like that. That was the point.
Thanks.
Continue. Show me your screen, Abhishek. No, don't put in legend, put in axis. Yeah. Okay, let's see what happened, what went wrong. Go into the relationships. Let me see that. What are the relationships? Player ID is mapped to what? Show me the player ID mapping. Go take your cursor on that line. Oh, you put player name. It should be player ID to striker ID. The relationship is wrongly mapped. Now see the report. Go ahead, carry on. Yeah, so you can publish it to Power BI using that login. That's all right. That you can just it's just publishing. You can do that later. Right now, let's focus on solving the questions first. Hmm, which part again? Is your second relationship correct? Just check. Team again, you must have done team name instead of team ID. No, that's fine. Show me the report then. Report. Hmm. Team name. Team ID with team batting ID. Can you check it again? It's a matter of relationship only. There's some problem with relationship. Hmm. Yeah, do it again. Just see what happens. No, not team name. Not team name. Team name. Team ID with the team batting ID. Now check. Hmm, that's weird. That looks fine. We have a team ID here. Team batting ID. Maya, did you get this? Did you get this one? These batsman questions are solved. So now I have to upload the data again. Yes, Maya, but in a new file, not in the same file. Why are you not getting this, Abhishek? That's weird. And I'm not able to understand why it's not coming. Just go to the Power BI. Let's check again what's wrong. Delete this screen. Delete this report. Side this report. Yeah. Just create a pivot table again. Yeah, matrix. So now we want the team name. So take the team name. Okay. So yeah, that you got. Now you take team name into rows. I don't know what. Okay, just happened. Anyways, carry on. Maya, you can carry on, no problem. Carry on. हितेश हैपनिंग हितेश कहाँ पहुंचे कौन से क्वेश्चन पे पहुंचे No, you can keep sharing, it's up to you, Abhishek, it's up to you. So I'm anyways doesn't make sense for me to share because I've already solved it. Or guys, if you want, I'll share my screen so you can compare what you have done versus what I have done. If you want to do that, you can do that also. So I've shared my screen. If you're stuck anywhere, immediately let me know. That's the batsman. You have to create a measure. You'll have to put formulas. So which question are you looking for, Ritesh? Can you tell me the questions and I'll check how to do it? And you're on the boolean, right? You're on the boolean part? Yeah. Okay. So how I have done it is, I'll just find my formula, economic calculation. Yeah. Okay. So what I've done is I've gone and created count of already calc. One second, let me just remember what I've done. Ball by ball. Okay, see basically economy means what? That you are taking total runs given, right? You're taking total runs given, which is batsman scored plus your extra runs, right? And that your entire thing you are dividing by number of balls, and that you're dividing by 6 because that will give you number of overs. If you look at it, it will look like this. That would be your entire formula. See, total runs given. Yeah, I have put it in the chat box. Total runs given will be batsman scored plus extra runs, right? That you divide by. Understood? Hmm. Okay, can you share your screen? Let me see what's happening. Can you share your screen? Hitesh, please share your screen. Let me see the formula. Plus batsman's code. Comma, okay. No, there's some problem. Okay. Press backspace, press backspace. Hey, why have you opened two brackets in sum? Why have you opened two brackets in sum? Yeah, remove that one bracket. Now go and put a comma. Batsman's code. No, 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 no. Okay. So, and all numbers in a column. No, so you can't do this in this case. You will have to say, first you'll have to find, okay, don't use the sum function at all. Alright, because sum will only do for one column in Power BI. Don't use the sum function at all. You just open the bracket. Just open the bracket. Forget the sum function. Open the bracket. Okay, I'll tell you what to do. Forget this. Sorry, my mistake. Okay, perfect. Now you write sum. SUM. Sum of batsman's code. Close the bracket. That's your first sum. Plus sum of extra runs. Of extra runs. Close the bracket. Alright. So that's your, again close the bracket. That's your total of your runs given, right? Again close the bracket. Yeah. Now divide that by, divide, open bracket, number of balls. So ball, count of ball ID. So you say ball ID. Yeah, okay. You can say count of ball ID. Divide by 6 and close the bracket. Close the bracket, enter. Yeah, it has created it. Now put a card and check the economy. Understood? Do one thing, no? Just put the formula in the chat box so everybody else can also take it. That's how it is created. Just put the formula in the chat box. Alright guys, which question are you on? Which question are you on? Good. Alright. Okay, well, let's take a break. Let's take a 20-minute break. Is that okay, everyone? Get fresh and come back. It's 3:20. Let's continue at 3:40. Continue, guys. Are you there? Yeah, why would you do that? That would be a. It is. This would be a measure, not a calculated column, no? How can this be a calculated column? This will obviously be a measure. What is the question number? Oh, like that. So you don't write sum of that. You just say batsman scored plus extra runs. That's all. You don't write sum of batsman scored plus sum of extra runs. Then this, so if you just write batsman scored plus extra runs, it will give you row by row. That's good, Hitesh. You can go on for fielder and that also. Maya, Abhishek, are you there? Okay, very good. This was easier than Excel, right? Power BI is a lot easier because in terms of everything is just drag and drop. You can do a lot of things in drag and drop. In that sense, once you understand Power BI very well, it becomes pretty simple. In the beginning, it takes time to learn, but once you understand, it becomes pretty simple to work on it. My bowler answer sheet, sure. Something like this you should have. Funnel chart I've created for dismissal type wise number of count. That's what I've done for. How's it going, everyone? What's happening? Yeah, yeah. Cool. I also have to show. Abhishek, this is the question that you were asking. I have put that up. See if you don't understand, tell me. See what I've done in the pivot table. You'll understand. If not, ask me, please. Abhishek, did you see my answer? Cool. It's a percentage of row total. Row total. Zip everything in one and submit it. Can you share your screen, Hitesh? Let me see it. Can you share your screen, Hitesh? Let me see what you've done. No, you can't do count A for this. You have to do calculate. Equal to calculate. Calculate what? Total cot, right? You want to count the cot. So you say cot column. So sorry, the what do you mean by that? The dismissal type column. Dismissal type. Count of dismiss. Count. Just say count there. First, just say count there. Count A. Count A. Yes. Count A of what? Of the dismissal type. Yes. Close the bracket. Equal to the cot. Yeah. ब्रैकेट क्लोज नहीं किया. Double quote. Double quote. Didn't work. didn't work earlier? Okay, wait, let me check if I'm making a mistake. Wait, let me check. Oh, I'm so sorry. You'll have to first say count of what? I'm so sorry about that stupid mistake from my side. You'll have to first say count of what? Count of ball ID I want. So bowler ID. When the dismissal ID is equal to count. When dismissal type. So you say first count A of. So first count A of. You can say dismissal type also actually. Just copy the formula from the chat box. See, I've put it right now. I'm sorry, I made a silly mistake. First, you have to take the column and then the criteria. No, no, take the formula that I put. See, I put a formula in the chat box. Yeah. Perfect. Mm, share your screen, Abhishek. How to show date in light chart on top? What do you mean by that? Share your screen, please. You wanted date wise. That's what you're looking for? For each date. That chart will become too much, but your chart will be very weird then. Let's see it. Let's see it. What is the question? Can you show me the question? In which year, how many wickets? No, 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 no. So you have put the date that is correct. That is correct. But the output you require is year wise only. So you don't need the output date wise. You need the output year wise. You put the match date that is correct. Yeah, that's the answer. Correct. Understood? No, Maya, nothing else. If you have any question in Excel, I can help you. Like how he had a question in Excel. Oh, before you leave, fill the feedback, please. But don't go without filling the feedback. In case you're leaving, fill the feedback, please. Guys, whoever, in case you decide to leave, please don't go without filling the feedback. Thank you, everyone. Today was the last class. I hope you knew that. We are done. I'm still here only because she's going. I said that. Thank you. Thank you, Hitesh. Thank you, Maya. Yeah. Abhishek, you are also leaving? Abhishek? Hitesh, Abhishek, you are. Oh, okay. Guys, please ask whatever questions you all have. If you anyone wants to share their screen, let me know. Same work in Excel. Count A also. No, count A will only count. Count if S would do that. What calculate does, that is what count if S, sum if S does. Any other doubts, Abhishek? What's the doubt, Abhishek? What's the doubt? Oh, okay. Share your screen, Abhishek. I'll show you quickly. It's very simple. Did you publish it? Did you publish it? Share your screen. No, I'll show you how to do it. Share your screen. Yeah. Now, where is the published? Where did you publish it? The IPL. Oh, you want to build a dashboard from this? I can show you from this also. It means the same thing. Okay. You have already. All right. So let's say in the dashboard, you want only couple of reports, right? So you take any report that you want in the dashboard. Take any one report. Go to that report. Oh, okay. You'll have to publish it then. Somebody else's ID must be used. No problem. Go to normal Power BI and click on publish in the home tab. In the home tab, click on publish. Yeah. Say save. Yes. You have to save the file first. Hmm. Click save. Yeah, it's done. So now go there. Yeah, find your no, go there. Go in the drop down. Go in the drop down in my workspaces. In my workspaces, go find your file. Correct, correct. So now go into that. Yes. Now, where are your reports? They must still be loading. Okay, anyways, can I show you on the earlier report that you were showing me of the umbrella sales data, t-shirt sales data that we've already published earlier? Hmm? Go to any report that we've already published earlier, no? This might be loading still, that's why. Huh. Now suppose one of these maps you want in the dashboard. So go to the map, take your mouse on the map, yeah, click on the pin. Click on that pin. And now say new dashboard. And give a name to it. Can't pin this, we're working on this feature. Oh, okay. So take another visualization, There might be some issue. Yeah, create a new dashboard. Okay, I think there's some bug from their side. This happens quite a bit in powerbi.com. Whenever they are updating something like this happens. I've seen this quite a lot. But that's all that you have to do. When you click on that, it builds a dashboard only with that particular report. And then you can pull other reports also. You can pin other reports also onto that dashboard. And only those reports will be seen in that dashboard. Make sense, Abhishek? That's the only thing. This could be an issue because they keep updating the application and that happens sometimes. Anything else that you want to say, Abhishek? Anything else that you want to see? All right. Thanks, Abhishek. Thanks a lot. Please fill in the feedback before you go, huh? Please fill in the feedback before you go. Thanks a lot, Abhishek. We'll keep in touch on the discussion forum for sure. Discussion forum only, Abhishek. Any doubt of any kind, put it on the public forum. There are called TAs also. So they also help in replying to all the students. They're not trainers, but they assist in any kind of queries. Of course, I am also there. Of course, I am also there. So whenever they are not able to solve anything, they immediately tell me that we are not getting an answer for this, so I come in and answer it. Sometimes I also directly answer it. I don't wait for anybody's uh, question to come to me. I just go and answer it. So there is a lot of things happening like that as well. All right, Abhishek. Okay, perfect. Oh no, no, it's all good. Just keep practicing. That's the only thing. Abhishek, did you fill the feedback form? But did you fill the feedback form? All right, you filled the feedback. Did you fill the feedback? All right, perfect. Thanks a lot, Abhishek. I will see you in the discussion forum. We'll keep in touch there. See you. Most welcome. Bye bye.